Hey everyone, I'm just wrapping up the kitchen portion here. I just have the handles left to do. I'm going to be building some, where you see all the red little tabs, those are going to be wooden handles that will protrude out the same distance as this, all the way around. That'll make it sharp. And then we have the island. And in this here we have a feature I kind of like. Underneath the stove here you just push and you've got yourself another drawer underneath. And then on all these here, they come with a second drawer on top. And we have a recycle area. Put your bags there or whatever you want to put in that drawer. Garbage can, compost. Some clean top. Goes to a window that opens to the outdoor. To a beautiful view of the lake. A little more work and she'll be wrapped up.